Box cover, I'm TheDuttyBerry, and let's talk about the presidential debates 2016. Hillary Clinton versus Donald Trump. Okay, so now I've been really anticipating this day for like weeks. Not really sure why, but somehow I just felt that it would be a good addition to my Monday night reality show lineup. Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton on the same stage, shaking hands. Aww, look at you. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. The last time both of them were that close was double date night like 20 years ago. Just look at them. Honestly, truly, Hillary Clinton was rocking the heck out of that Mrs. Doubtfire wig. And Trump, just picture someone pouring porridge down a three-piece suit. Yeah, that indeed look like. And I know you might be wondering, but I'm not going to say anything bad about his hair, because my hair in a one bad state right about now. But if I were to, him hair kind of look like a bun-up playfield. Both candidates started off pretty calm, cool, and collected, especially Trump. And I was like,
go, 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 go.
Thanks to Hofstra for hosting
so many of them. When you look at what's happening.
So they started talking about taxes and blah, 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 and I fought hard to be actually interested in what they were saying.
Thousands of jobs, leaving Michigan, leaving Ohio.
And then box cover, when me hear she say,
would be the most extreme version, the biggest
Missouri say I'm an artist was about to go and take the stage.
Me used to hungry. Me never used to have.
Same time, a little birdie told me that Etana was outside the venue trying to get in and was denied. A lie. Then the little birdie go tell me that Trump sent her a voice note saying,
we don't want no trouble. Lady, where you come from, people die there every day. For our safety, that's where you should stay.
Oh God. Donald Trump's hand gestures were lit. It was like Spirit Fingers 3.0.
They're doing things that frankly we don't do.
Then ever so often he would do the windscreen wiper hands.
Very recently, she's been doing this for 30 years.
Now Hillary, I know you love the Obamas, allegedly, but do you really have to draw for that Michelle Obama line every time you go on a stage?
when they go low,
Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl.
we go high.
No sir, not even parrot so repetitive. Now to the moderator, Lester Holt.
Of achieving prosperity
Me Baxfoot, Trump was allowed to interrupt more times than the lotto draw during the Olympic Games.
to Americans.
Well, it was very, I say
People of color
nothing.
who-
I say nothing because
Yes, so you, Mr. Moderator Lester, you should have tell Trump say.
You need to cut it.
As Hillary opened her mouth, Trump was like,
Iranian sailors on a ship
Question?
hunting American sailors.
Question?
I'd blow them out of the water.
Question?
at one point it got a little boring, so I ended up on Snapchat and started doing a little bit of this.
In some instances,
And this. And this.
for 30 years.
Then the debate got exciting again, and both the contenders started to unleash all sorts of petty.
Continuing
Well,
the
at
subject
least
of,
I have a plan to fight
achieving
ISIS.
prosperity.
None of you have been fighting ISIS your entire adult life.
yeah, I'm petty.
To the point where after a while I thought it would end up like a celebrity death match.
Welcome back, people.
Trump brought up the email thing.
I will release my tax returns when she releases her 33,000 emails that have been deleted.
Oh, the shade. Trump said that he's too smart for not paying federal income taxes.
Showed he didn't pay any federal income tax. So
That makes
if
me
he's
smart.
paid zero,
Wait, what? They touched on the stop and frisk,
Chicago, you do stop and frisk, which worked very well. Mayor Giuliani is
racial tension in America.
law and order. And we need law and order. If we don't have it, we're not going to have a country.
black communities in our country, you know,
We have to bring back law and order.
These are their stories.
The economy.
He's going to raise taxes $1.3 trillion.
And then some Baxfoot how Donald Trump stated that he had better temperament than Hillary Clinton.
I also have a much better temperament than she has.
Betweer.
Must be a joke. Naomi Campbell, Chris Brown, Britney Spears, and Justin Bieber all have better temperament than you. Boy, honestly, I really don't know. I do not think I could keep my composure in a room with an opponent that I honestly hated. After a while, it would end up turning into a scene from Family Guy with Peter and the chicken.
I think my strongest asset, maybe by far, is my temperament.
Secretary Clinton.
woo, okay. Let's
We run this mother.
So here's what some people had to say on social media. Hillary's answers are informed and clear. Trump's answers are like the comments under a World Star video. Lester is about as soft as a milk dud sitting on top of the VCR recording a 90-minute debate with no commercial interruption. Well, I just really don't know. To me, I think Trump tonight was basically an actor. He was in character playing the part of a politician. But somehow I feel when he gets off stage, he's just going to be bigging up himself and being all braggadocious and cocky. Like, I'm going to win by 1.4 million votes. Votes, I'm telling you, I'm going to win by that amount of votes. That was awful. Hillary Clinton, on the other hand, is like that nerd that always studies and swats, but somehow can never really place first.
They're Pinky and the Brain, yes, Pinky and the Brain. Their Twilight campaign is easy to explain. To prove their mousy worth, they'll overthrow the earth. They're Pinky and the Brain, brain.
So in the end, this debate didn't really get into the meat of the matter and really and truly address all of the issues. It more sounded like,
You are not a man, you are a big fat joke.
I'm a man who discovered the wheel and built the Eiffel Tower out of metal and brawn. That's what kind of man I am. You're just a woman with a small brain. With a brain a third the size of us. It's science.
I will have you know that I have more talent and more intelligence in my little finger than you do in your entire body, sir.
Why don't you go back to your home on Whore Island?
Well, you have bad hair.
What did you say?
I said, your hair looks stupid.
well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry show. My name is Dutty Berry. Please leave a comment below. Are you Team Hillary or Team Donald Trump? Did you enjoy the debates? Was there anything that was said that caused you to change your mind? Make sure to like, comment, and share as well, and subscribe if you haven't done so, okay? At Dutty Berry Show all across my social media. Take care until next time.